Brace yourselves. Sneezes are speed demons in disguise. And they're faster than you think. That's right, a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah on a caffeine rush. Your nose is basically a high-speed launch pad. And when you sneeze, you're not just saying achoo. You're launching a tiny weather system. But why do we sneeze so fast? It's your body's way of ejecting unwelcome guests like dust or pollen. Think of it as a personal anti-intruder alarm, but with more snot. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, give it some respect, huh? You're about to break the sound barrier of bodily functions. Stay curious and don't forget to cover your mouth. And hey, remember to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Gesundheit, and always keep a tissue handy.